Okay, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let me first sort out this. Okay, today we are going to know what is P2P trading, or what they call peer-to-peer trading on Binance. So most and many of the crypto exchanges offer this platform. It's called peer-to-peer trading or P2P trading. So this platform is the most commonly way used to purchase cryptocurrency, especially USDT. And after purchasing your USDT, you can convert it to any other form of cryptocurrencies on the exchange. What is P2P trading? P2P trading, this is a form of trading where individuals or traders on the exchange engage themselves like individually directly, and they do a transaction on the exchange. So on P2P trading, the exchange is in control, such is there to maintain and to make sure that the transaction is on and successfully, with both parties satisfied. You understand? Let's say the two parties are the buyers and sellers. So let's say in this case I'm using Binance. So Binance makes sure that the transactions between the two parties, the buyer and the seller, is complete and successful. So whereas the buyer or the seller is on the platform to look out for the best price offers that he or she can buy or sell his cryptocurrency. So P2P is a platform offered by the exchange to make sure that individuals on the exchange, they can trade with themselves, they can buy and sell cryptocurrencies with themselves. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment and share this video so that our channel can grow and we get motivated to bring out such videos. More and more of these videos are coming. Okay, so when you open your Binance, P2P is all right here. You can see it, P2P trading, you can see it here. You understand? P2P trading is always under this section. Okay, for other exchanges I'll do another video, but for this time round I'm using Binance. But before engaging in any trade or any transaction on Binance, you must make sure that you are verified. You see it here? The moment you're not verified, it will cause trouble. You understand? This thing here, verified, that tick must be there. You must have been verified by Binance. You must submit your documents for verification. You understand? Okay, after being verified, the next step is going to P2P trading. Here solves. So on this platform, so it looks like this. Security risk, they're just telling you about never release your crypto, what and what. So you read through and understand, confirm. Okay, so this is how the platform of peer-to-peer or P2P trading on Binance, how it looks like. Okay, so here it is USD. They're showing you various individuals on the platforms or merchants that are trying to sell their USDT. So for you want to buy. So as you can see here, this first trader is selling his USDT for 3,696. You understand? Yeah. So as you can see, that's it. And some other very many traders are all here trying to sell their. Okay, let's analyze, go into it. So you see this one here down, this part here, these are the methods of payment that this individual allows. Sorry, we are going to beat this. We are still under USDT. So these are the payment methods this trader allows for payment. Cheaper cash, you see, many of them are using cheaper cash, you see. So when you continue, you see that this one uses mobile money, MTN, Airtel, bank transfer and cheaper cash. So the more you go down, the more it becomes expensive. Okay, leave alone that. Okay, now USDT, then we have BTC. You just have to be moving around this these are the available cryptocurrencies so far under the P2P platform. You understand? So here you will find various sellers and buyers. You understand? So maybe under USDT here you want to buy. So when you knew you want to buy USDT, you come here and buy from this person or this person here. You understand? Any of this one. You can buy on this one or this one or this one. You understand? But before buying, you have to make sure that you buy from a person who is trusted, who has positive reviews. For example, if this person, you look at this person has 565 trades. There are quite a lot of many trades. He has a completion rate of 92%. You can see that this person is not doing so bad, you understand? But you should aim at getting a person who is even getting more, like this one, 96%. He has 1416 trades. You say that this person is doing well than this one. This one is doing well than this one, you understand? So that's how it works. So you can look further. This one has 99%. It has 413 trades, but you should be considerate of the price you want to purchase. So you see this one gives a lower price. So later on, if you also want to sell, you just come here on this option of sell. This was buying, now we want to sell our USDT, just in case we have it there. So you tap there and go to sell. You understand? So here in Uganda, you can see that a lot of people are selling. So this person is selling at 4,000. This one is selling at 3,680. You understand? So you see the price is, this one is selling at a higher price. So everybody will be wanting to sell to this person. You understand? But he's offering only bank transfer as the payment method. So if you have USDT and you want to sell them to this person, you must be able to transfer to his bank account. You understand? Okay. So this person is also in EcoBank. So most of these people are not even Ugandans, they are just making money through arbitrage. So this one is cheaper cash, MTN mobile money. So you see that the more you go down, the prices are becoming lower and lower. You understand? They are becoming lower and lower, but when you're selling, you'll be aiming at selling to a person who is offering a higher price. You understand? So everybody, if you're convenient with paying a bank transfer, you go with this person. If you're convenient with this bank, you go with this one. So when you're convenient with paying using this one, cheaper cash, definitely you'll have to go with this one. You understand? Okay. So as I've explained, so it's the same thing with BTC. If you want to buy BTC, there are very many ways of acquiring BTC. Either you first buy USDT and convert it using Binance Convert, the conversion process to put BTC into USDT, to put USDT into BTC, or you can just purchase or sell BTC directly under the P2P platform. So P2P, these are just sellers. These are okay. Now we are in a buy section. This is a person called Saulo. Saulo is selling. So for you want to buy, so he's selling his Bitcoin at this amount, 86 million and plus. So these are the payment methods. You understand? Okay. So, but when you're new to this platform, I would recommend that since you don't have much experience, you would go to this option here. It's called filter. Then here you can when you go to this option called filter, you tap there, you go down here where you see this point that only ads from merchants, because some people are scammers, and if you don't have experience, you may end up releasing your crypto to a person who just wants to take your crypto without payment. So instead, I would recommend that you go to only ads from merchants. You understand? You understand? After tapping it on, then you can confirm here. So here you'll be able to see only those people that are verified by Binance. You understand? Yeah. For example, this person is selling at 86 million. You understand? You see the price difference? This one is selling at 87 million. This one is selling at 95 million. You see different prices. These are the payment methods. So when you're interested in buying, you just come, let's say USDT, you're new to crypto, you want to buy using P2P, you just come here and say I want to buy and buy. So when you want to buy, you come here, there you see these options. By fiat you put in amount. Let's say you want to put in like 300,000 UGX, or by crypto here you put in the amount of USD, let's say 100 USD that you want to buy. You understand? I think I'm clear. So by USDT you just put, by crypto you put in 100. You see that 100, they will cost you around 373271 UGX. And remember, under P2P it is you're buying at a zero free rate. There is no rate, there are no charges, you understand? But you have to be very careful under this platform. You have to read the terms and conditions of the buyer or seller, you understand? They're always here down, you see them here. You have to read these things to make sure that the payments are correctly made and received by the buyer or seller, you understand? These are the terms and conditions. After reading all this, you can come and press buy. Then you will make a payment, and the buyer and the person, after receiving money, will definitely release the crypto to your wallet, you understand? Okay, I think that's it. That's it with peer-to-peer. Maybe if there is another thing that you would let me make you understand, please comment in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment on this video, so that you can be motivated to make more other videos like this one. Okay, so that's it. You can proceed with other cryptocurrencies all here.